Thank you for joining us for CNTV. I'm Brad Clonch.
And I'm Quin Tran.
Congratulations and thank you so much.
The Oklahoma Hospital Association recognized the Chickasaw Nation for its efforts in promoting patient wellness through smoking cessation. The Chickasaw Nation received the Outstanding Leadership Achievement Award for being the first Oklahoma health system to develop electronic helpline referrals and sustainable patient tobacco treatment. In less than a year, hundreds of patients treated at the Chickasaw Nation Medical Center and clinics have received assistance to quit smoking.
And this program is empowering these people to make a lifestyle change, and this will truly enhance their quality of life. So today we have a lot to celebrate, and those involved we celebrate. Those who will receive the service and those who quit smoking we celebrate.
This successful initiative involves a partnership with the Chickasaw Nation, the Oklahoma State Department of Health, Oklahoma Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, and the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline. This month, we raise awareness on a disease that is one of the leading causes of disability and death in our country.
Diabetes affects Native Americans at a higher rate than others. It can cause many health issues like nerve damage, kidney disease, and even blindness.
The Chickasaw Nation has several programs focused on diagnosing and treating patients with diabetes.
Educating patients is another way to fight the disease.
So we're just going to make sure you check your blood sugars.
Laura Dooley knows what diabetes can do to patients. The nurse practitioner is part of a team at the Diabetes Care Center, focused on helping patients take control of the disease.
It's a disease that requires effort on the patient's part every day, all day.
Watching our carbs and staying within our portion size is a key. But
every Tuesday, the Diabetes Care Center hosts a diabetes education seminar. Participants spend the morning learning more about the disease, the importance of physical fitness, and healthy diets.
Go ahead and open for me.
In the afternoon, participants undergo a comprehensive checkup that includes dental and vision exams, as well as one-on-one counseling.
My blood glucose,
Okay.
we have a little bit of problem with that.
Okay.
Those with diabetes learn that small positive changes in diet and exercise can make a big difference.
we see a lot of patients that have been on insulin and they get taken off of insulin because they've done so well with their diet and exercise, and they lose weight and they understand what they need to do to manage their diabetes. We can tell them what to do, we just can't go home with them, so it's up to them to take control of their diabetes.
Okay, we're going to be in this room right here, room 2.
Lee Johnson has taken control of her disease. The Chickasaw woman has a family history of diabetes. The Diabetes Care Center provided the education, counseling, and encouragement she needed to lose 70 pounds. It's changed her life.
They have really helped me to get it all under control. So I'm pretty thankful to be where I am.
The health professionals and staff at the Diabetes Care Center do great work to educate patients. It's an alarming number. Nearly 30 million Americans have diabetes.
And that's why education is so key. Learn more about the Diabetes Care Center located at the Chickasaw Nation Medical Center. Visit www.chickasaw.net. The Chickasaw Nation Medical Center is committed to improving health education. Here's one way through CHIC, which stands for Chickasaw Health Information Center. CHIC is set up there at the medical center, providing patients, their families, and visitors with free online access to research health issues in a private and secure environment. The computers are linked to the National Library of Medicine, the world's largest medical library.
It allows our patients to get online and find information that's very reliable and accurate, has research behind it, evidence-based medicine. And in today's society, I think more and more people are getting online.
CHIC is located in the town center at the Chickasaw Nation Medical Center. People can also access the health site off campus at this web address on the screen. This was an exciting moment for some young Chickasaws. The Kansas City Chiefs invited the Chickasaw Nation Youth Ensemble to perform the National Anthem at Arrowhead Stadium. The Chiefs took on the Pittsburgh Steelers in front of a crowd of about 80,000 fans. This was a great experience for the young Chickasaws. The ensemble is comprised of Chickasaws ages 12 to 17. The Kansas City Chiefs welcomed tribes and had them participate in pregame activities to honor Native American Heritage Month in November.
The Chickasaw Cultural Center hosted this camp. It's called Chickasaws Are Playing. The camp taught Chickasaw children the history of traditional games and play them like stickball. This was a 2-day camp for Chickasaw youth ages 12 to 18.
We take you now to Camp Goddard in Sulphur, Oklahoma. Hayaka Unta Camp means being outdoors. This camp focuses on family by allowing the young participants to bring a parent or guardian along for the camp. They are encouraged to spend quality time together.
I love spending time with the family, spending time with my boys. They just grow up too quick, and I want to spend as much time as I can with them.
Children and their parents enjoyed carving pumpkins at the camp. Hayaka Unta Camp is organized twice a year in the fall and spring.
The Chickasaw White House hosted the annual Harvest Fest. Families from surrounding communities gathered for the food, fun, and fellowship. During Harvest Fest, visitors take a step back in time. Festivities include bluegrass music, carriage rides, crafts, and tours of the White House. This year marks the 120th year of the Chickasaw White House, once considered a mansion on the frontier. It was home to Governor Douglas Johnston and his family from 1898 to 1971. The fall season is a great time to visit Chickasaw country.
It certainly is, and we look forward to sharing more events and activities in the next episode of CNTV.
We'll see you next time.